What's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing a market recap right now. I haven't checked the charts really. I haven't really looked at anything. Marked some things out earlier just because I was testing audio and stuff. I just got this new mic here. I hope it sounds pretty good. I think it will, as long as I talk loud enough and stuff like that. But let's look at where we are in the charts, if I'm being honest. So, overall, very excited to see price finally getting to this level up here. Yeah, the market's closed, but I bet Monday we will definitely push through this level. Now, will we continue higher is what I can't tell you why, because I don't know the market. I don't know exactly what is going to happen after this. But it is nice to finally see us get continuation higher. I mean, it's clear now. I think this is an SMT right here. So it's nice to finally see that SMT hold. We buy up, we come back down, sweep this liquidity, come back higher. We keep going up and up and up, which is nice. So you expect this draw to be taken relatively soon. I don't think ES has taken it. Nope, ES hasn't taken it either, so that's good that there's not an SMT there. Going into next week, that is definitely still overall my draw on liquidity for like the week and higher time frame wise. I mean, if you look at the monthly chart, it's better on the monthly chart is way cleaner on NAS. I'll show you here. We'll get this done in 15 minutes. We're ready for that. Let's see. Let's move this up a little bit. There we go. So let's look at the monthly chart on NAS. Is crazy in my opinion. You come down, sweep this monthly liquidity, and rebalance in this range right here, and then you continue. You rebalance perfectly, sweep liquidity, and you have a overall 2,000 point wick. I know it's a month, and there's obviously 13 days left of the month, so that doesn't really hold any value at all. But it's crazy, and we don't necessarily have a higher of the wick yet. So we can definitely expect clean expansion up. I don't see any reason for us to go lower, if I'm being honest. If you go onto the daily or the weekly, I guess, really no reason to go lower until maybe next week. I think we will continue higher again, get to this imbalance here is where I think the next stop for the weekly will be. So around another 500 points. Then that will be all next week, I assume. And then the week after that is when we could expect to see rebalance into this fair value gap that will be created to then continue higher to all-time highs. So that is what I'm seeing overall on a very, very higher time frame. But if we go down to today, let's see what today's action was like. I don't think there was any news today. No real news today, so that definitely affects the market. Not good. I mean, you want to have volatility in the market to be able to take clean trades. But I did look at something today. So as you see, you come down more of pre-market from 2 a.m. So like London time. So from London time, you kind of sell off. I don't know. You don't really rebalance to this range. Don't think there's any higher time frame imbalance you hit. You do. Okay, 4-hour fair value. That's good to know. So you get down to this 4-hour fair value gap. So where's market open? Let's get this out of here. Market opens 9:30. So we manipulate lower one more time. What it looks like. This is what I'd be watching for an SMT around here. So no SMT there, clean stop rate here, though we continue higher. You do get an internal SMT here, but I personally, not enough. It's definitely there though, and you definitely could read that as continuation higher. And then, but I don't know where you would want your price to go. You could maybe get a 1 minute standard deviation measured from around here. See what the standard deviation aligns with. So not bad, kind of where the chop is. This equal highs here. So I think this is the most ideal setup, but it doesn't come until 10:50. So it just depends how you trade your penny. It just depends how you trade your model, and this right here is an SMT in itself. So if you were trading this, you would have generated equal highs right at standard deviation. The 4 lines up here higher, which is nice. So we'll mark out these highs overall up here. I don't think we do get back up here. So this would be your buy side level. You come up. You don't necessarily take any key highs. You create equal highs. You sell back off to rebalance. You come up, chop, 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 chop. Come down, manipulate lower to have a stop raid. You stop all these original long orders. Then following that stop raid, you get you get, it's not necessarily the cleanest displacement, but it's displacement up out of this range, so you know you're ready to go higher. This is good displacement here without taking these equal highs, because those equal highs would still be my draw on liquidity. So let's do the range here. Come back to discount. You could enter there. Or if that was not enough for you, have your stop. I like my stop below there just in case. Nice 3-1 reward. Or you could wait for more displacement higher, mark out equilibrium of that range. Find the imbalance in the equilibrium. This imbalance right here, look where price rejects off of that exact imbalance. You know, you could enter it at the, personally, I usually enter at the first tap of equilibrium, so I'd enter there. And you're targeting these stops probably just like below this low right here. Another nice 2.5. Very clean overall. This right here is a pretty clean market maker buy model in itself. You have clear original consolidation, sell off, stop rate, SMT, smart money reversal here. Clean displacement out of that range, retracement, expand up, retracement. Right here, I would say this is a more advanced entry right here. I don't think I would go for that necessarily. This entry right here would be your first rebalance and first stage of distribution, rebalance, second rebalance, last stage of distribution. And then if you were aligning that with overall the higher time frame or the higher model, same thing lines up here. You could have a runner all the way up here for a nice 7R. Just depends how you trade your model. And if you look at price, when you align time with price, you get clean moves like this. Clean, efficient, straight to the buy side. Now, it takes a while from 12 to, it takes an hour, but it's continuously moves up. There's no moves down. And once you get to that 2.5, look where you chop. You just chop there. So overall, that was probably the trade if you were going to take today. It was after you get clear. So let's talk about something, though. There's something here, like, the reason you wouldn't want to try to take it here is because you're not confirmed yet right here if price is ready to go lower or you're going to continue higher. You do have that 4-hour imbalance, but you don't know if you're going to go lower to rebalance to premium or you're going to rebalance on this one. That's why you have to be patient and observe and wait for that more confirmation that you're ready to go higher. This is a confirmation, but this is even more confirmation. This is a clean displacement move through this swing high right here to give you confidence that you are going to go higher. So after that, you wait, you expand up, and then it's way more clear. Just look at the price action. Overall, this is a pretty clean model itself. You expect this high to get taken, which it probably would have, but market closed. Market will be open Monday. Let's see what the news is for next week. I will be trading next week. I finally got everything set up. Nothing. Medium, not bad. This Thursday's nice. Ooh, PAL speaking. That'll be interesting. Probably low size for that. In the last week of August, pretty good, not gonna lie. We'll be ready for that. But overall, this is the market. I personally wasn't a fan of these first few weeks of actions that it was. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please join my free Discord. You can ask me any questions you want. Thank you guys so much.